I also had to deal with a couple outdated wall outlets. The kind an RV needed 20 years ago, but definitely not anymore. Once the faceplates came off, I was left with some pretty big openings to patch. Here's what I did. I cut small pieces of 1/8 of an inch MDF, slightly smaller than the opening so that they could slide through the hole. Then I taped a flexible strip to the back of each MDF piece. I used cane. You can use anything that's thin, flexible, and sandable for this part. I added glue around the edges of the MDF, slid the whole thing through the hole, and then pulled on the cane from the front so the MDF sat flat against the back of the wall. Once it was tight, I just taped it in place from the front and let the glue dry. When everything was set, I used Bondo to completely rebuild the surface. Bondo fills fast, and it gives you a seamless patch, and it flexes a little bit. After the Bondo had dried, I sanded it flush with my orbital sander. And I cut those cane strips off as well and sanded that flat. The repair blended right into the rest of the wall, perfectly ready for tile.